Looking for a microwave that fits perfectly in your small kitchen without sacrificing power or features? The commercial Chef countertop microwave delivers 700 watts of cooking power in a compact design, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, or any space where every inch counts. With 10 cooking power levels, you get the flexibility to prepare everything from quick snacks to full meals with precision. What sets this microwave apart are its 6 one-touch quick cook settings tailored for popcorn, baked potatoes, pizza, beverages, reheating, and frozen dinners. These presets save you time and hassle, so you can enjoy your favorite foods without guessing cook times. The LED display doubles as a digital clock and kitchen timer, keeping you on track while you multitask. Plus, features like weight or speed defrost and multi-stage cooking give you the control and convenience of a professional kitchen in a compact package. I've used this microwave myself, and what really stands out is how it balances power and size. It fits snugly on a shelf or countertop without crowding your space. The keypad controls let you set exact cooking times, and the child safety lock offers peace of mind if you have little ones around. While shipping took a bit longer than expected, the product quality made it worth the wait. It's reliable, easy to use, and handles everything I throw at it, from quick reheats to full meals. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a microwave that delivers what you need without taking up too much room, the commercial Chef countertop microwave is worth a look. It combines practical features with solid performance, making cooking simpler and more efficient. Try it when you're ready to enjoy convenience and power in one compact appliance.